Medicare Advantage plans are an alternative to basic or so-called original Medicare. Sometimes referred to as Medicare Part C or MA plans, they are offered by Medicare-approved private companies. They must follow Medicare rules and provide Medicare Part A and B coverage. Most Medicare Advantage plans also include Part D coverage. In many cases, you can obtain the lowest plan rates by using an in-network provider in your area. Some plans do have an out-of-network option, but it will sometimes be at higher cost. An attractive benefit of Medicare Advantage plans is that they set a limit on the amount you pay out of pocket for covered services annually, which helps protect you from unexpected expenses. When seeking treatment, you must present your Medicare Advantage card to receive Medicare-covered treatment. The most common types of Medicare Advantage plans are Health Maintenance Organization, or HMO plans, Preferred Provider Organization, or PPO plans, Private Fee-for-Service, or PFFS plans, Special Needs plans, or SNPs. Each type has its own set of benefits, costs, and limitations, so be sure to research your choice carefully. But no matter what plan you choose, do not discard your red, white, and blue Medicare card, because you'll need it if you ever decide to switch back to original Medicare. Need help deciding on the right Medicare Advantage plan for you? Call us for a no-obligation Medicare consultation today.